Let's discover 3 self-care tips that take only 15 minutes a day. Something quick and simple that actually works. And the results might really surprise you. Number 1. Physical activity. How do you feel when, after sitting all day, you finally go out for a walk around the block? I'm guessing your body and brain feel great. Physical activity just means moving your body, and it's amazing for your mental and physical health. Even just 5 minutes of movement starts to lift your mood because your brain starts pumping out endorphins and dopamine, those natural feel-good chemicals. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, helping you calm down and think clearly. You feel more energized, focused, and sharp because your brain gets more oxygen. And it gives your immune system a little boost too. Even a short burst of exercise makes you feel like you did something good for yourself today. And that's powerful because it builds confidence and momentum. Watch this video if you want to learn more about the amazing benefits of movement. So, how to move in 5 minutes a day. Look at your daily routine and pick one small movement that fits your lifestyle. Brainstorm. Maybe it's a quick walk around the office. Maybe it's a few body weight exercises at home or fast cleaning. Set a timer and move for 5 minutes straight. That's it. If your schedule is crazy tight, go for micro movements. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, do a few arm circles or squats between meetings, or stretch your neck and shoulders at your desk. When you finish, notice how you feel. Do you feel any difference? Number 2. Cold shower. You know that feeling when you're wide awake, super alert, and laser focused? That's what a cold shower gives you. Every morning, jump in the shower and blast yourself with cold water. Technically, a cold shower means water under 59 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. I know it doesn't sound like self-care, but let me explain. Research shows that cold shower is packed with benefits. It improves blood flow, boosts metabolism, and strengthens your immune system. It wakes up your body and brain, helps you concentrate, and even lifts your mood. It reduces depression symptoms by releasing dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. It's what gives you energy, drive, and motivation. And it trains your body to handle stress better. You're putting yourself in controlled discomfort. So when real-life challenges hit, you're already tougher. So, how to do it in 5 minutes? Start your shower lukewarm. Gradually, turn the water cooler while rinsing your body. Aim for that moment where you think, this is freezing and I want out, but I can safely handle it. Do that for about a minute. Over time, try starting with cooler water right away. You can grow to love cold showers. I've been doing it for over 2 years now, and I love that instant wake-up rush. Good luck. Number 3. Gratitude. Wants to feel happier and more content with life? Count your blessings. That just means taking a moment to remember the good things in your life, the stuff you're grateful for. Why this is self-care? Because it's one of the most powerful ways to boost your well-being. It shifts your focus from what is missing to what is already good, so you start to feel more joy, peace, and optimism. Gratitude lowers stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. It makes you emotionally resilient. People who practice gratitude bounce back from tough times faster. It also helps you sleep better. When you feel grateful before bed, your brain slows down instead of racing through stress. It even improves your physical health, lowers blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and boosts your immune system. So, how to do it in 5 minutes a day? Each morning or before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for and why. Complete this sentence. Today, I am grateful for because For example, today I am grateful for my morning coffee because it lifts my mood and gives me a moment of peace. Take a moment to really feel the joy from each thing. Which one of these 3 tips do you want to try first and why? Drop a comment and let me know. If you want to add something calming to your day, check out this video with a 5-minute box breathing exercise for instant calm. Thanks for watching and see you next time.